You searched how to buy shares of November Inc. November Inc. is an oilfield equipment and services company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker November. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker November to find the company listing. Select the result that shows November on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the live price chart to confirm it is November Inc. Verify the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker is November before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your November position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.